we got a new exhaust for the FR-S, Flashark. It's super affordable too. We're gonna see if this exhaust sounds pretty good for the price.
The quality of the exhaust was shocking. Before we put on the new exhaust, let me show you guys how the stock one sounds.
Luckily, this car is not low. Oh yeah! This car was from Kansas City. They put a lot of salt on the roads. I don't want to have a difficult time taking this off, so we're gonna make sure we soak these up real good.
Not only we're gonna make the car sound better, but we're also gonna save some weight. Stock exhaust literally weighs 40 pounds. But the new single exit is only gonna weigh 20, so we just saved ourselves 20 pounds in total, making the car lighter and feel a little bit better.
So typically there is a donut gasket on here from the front pipe, but it seems like it doesn't use this anymore.
Once the last hanger was on, it was time to finally start it up.
Let's see how it sounds. Oh yeah, you hear that? I think it sounds pretty solid for, not bad for the price too.